Bleach everywhere! We won't need to be saying, I'm sorry, Brad Mondo. Help me, Brad Mondo. Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to another video. As you can see from the title, today I am dyeing my hair at home. I'm not doing anything too drastic today. The last time I went to a salon was in November and my stylist did this really cool peekaboo blue highlight. So top part is black, under part is blue. So I'm going to be re-bleaching up to the root, taking that back to blue. And then also bleaching these front pieces, which you can probably see have basically turned green. So bleaching these and dyeing these blue today. Let's go. I've got these shoulder caps, gotta protect this ratty shirt I'm wearing. Bowl, brush, clip, came in a set. I bought this at CVS because I was too impatient to order something offline, but hopefully this is good, just some bleach powder. Got my two colorings. I've got this new punky color, which is actually what my stylist used on me to begin with, and it did last quite a long time. Gloves, of course, I do not want to be stained blue for 20 years. My Arctic Fox, which I was using to keep the color going. Vaseline to protect my skin, and of course, 20 volume developer. All right, I'm gonna start by sectioning off my hair. First, making sure I get these two little face framing pieces out, and then if we can get a miracle, I'll try to find that division that my stylist had from black to blue. This is gonna take a hot second, so cue fast forwarding. How did she do this in the first place? I'm also trying to just like find the pieces of black that I can still see in here and scooping them up into this main section of hair that I won't touch today. I won't bleach, won't dye. We're just gonna keep this part black as it is. Okay, that's not working as well one-handed as I thought. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. Oh, why do I just love this part? Oh, chunky. I think I have mixed this well enough. Let's do it. Shoulder cape. It's like a giant toilet seat cover. I'm gonna keep these two in front. Oh dear, okay. Okay, I gotta stop saying okay and actually do it. I told you, I'm nervous. Even though I have done this before, I am not a newbie to dyeing my hair and bleaching my hair at home. Am I good at it? No, I did not say that. But I'm not new to it. Let's just do it. Do I know what I'm doing? No. Am I having fun? Definitely. And isn't that all that matters? Shouldn't that be all that matters? Yes. Is it just me? It's only been on for like 5 seconds. I think it's turning green. I think it's like removing the blue. Well, I should go for it. I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna put it everywhere. There's just bleach everywhere. All right, other side. I feel like I might get a lot of people yelling at me in the comments about doing this with my hands. Okay, I'm back after like 10 minutes of letting just this sit. I think you can see like quite a bit of lightening already happening. Look at that. I mean, this green, what a lovely color. That's happening. Over here, it's looking about the same. So, I think it's time to do these strands now. Back on with the gloves. Okay, I'm gonna do a little cleanup here. I'm gonna let this sit, I think, for 20 minutes, and then I'll be back to check in. I did end up putting foil in. I don't know if it's gonna do anything, but let's take it off and see. Green. I think that's okay. I think, you know, when I eventually, after this, dye it blue, I think it'll be okay that it's green because the blue will just go up on top, right? It'll be fine. Okay. I think, how's it looking back here? I think it's okay. It's definitely lifting. I think now at this point I'm gonna saturate the ends, which is not good. I know I'm supposed to saturate the ends first. Oh, I'm sorry, Brad Mondo. We won't need to be saying,
I'm sorry, Brad Mondo.
I'm gonna let this sit for maybe like 20 more minutes and then I will check back in with you. All right, update. You can see this is not lifting. This is not lifting uniformly, which I expected. Look at this. I just don't think I want to leave the bleach in like too long on the other parts of my hair, like especially down here where they've just been treated, like the hair has been treated so much. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and rinse all this off, and then I think I'm gonna have to do a second round of bleaching on this just to keep lifting. So we'll check in after shower number 1. Okay, so this is just out of the shower, and this is like the definition of streaky, which is not good. And here is the back of the hair, which, you know, we got some orange, we got some green, we got some yellow. Okay, all right, you know, it's okay. It's all right, it's all right. I'm gonna re-bleach, or like do another round of bleach on these to hopefully get them a nice even-ish bleached. And then this stuff, like I said before, I think it'll be fine because when I cover it up with the blue dye and the black hair here, I think we'll be okay. Gotta let this dry first though. I know. I still have a little bit of bleach left, so let's go.
1 hour later.
Okay, after like a 4th attempt to bleach it, this is where we're at with these front pieces. But ends we've got pretty light. Even the roots now are pretty light. It's this stubborn middle part. So this is where we are. I'm not sure I want to leave bleach on my hair any longer. I feel like going more than 40 minutes is just not the move. I know this is not ideal. I know. And look at the back. Okay, I really do think that once the blue dye goes on everything, we will be saved and it will look better. Only time will tell. So let me rinse this off really quickly and then we'll start putting on blue dye. Bit of a change of plan. We're not gonna use the Arctic Fox or this other punky color because I feel like there was so much green still in my hair after the bleach, and like, I know I look terrible, but you can see like the green right here. And then I think just like the orange tones, like the warm tones in the blue would make like kind of a green anyway, a greenish. So I bought this other punky color called turquoise. And it looks like, compared to this one, this original one, this one looks a little more green. So I think this might be the way to go. Plus, with spring, I feel like it'd be fun to come out like with the warmer tones rather than like a cooler tone blue. So I'm gonna give this a go. Oh. I might have a blue neck for a few weeks, but it's all dyed. I got the top part dyed. I'm gonna leave it on for, I think, maybe like 20 minutes, and then rinse it off and we'll see. I'm coming to you once again showered in a towel, this time in a hair wrap. It has been, when did I start? It is now 9:39 p.m. and I believe I started this whole process at 4 p.m. I think. Well, I think I'm gonna let this air dry and I will check back in with you tomorrow. So for you, results will be instantaneous, but I'll see you in the AM.
Several days later.
I feel a bit like a Disney villain, but I don't think that's a bad thing. I'm gonna be honest with you all. Yesterday, the day after I dyed it, I was very upset. I thought it didn't turn out well. I had my hair up in a ponytail, and these two front strands look so weird in a ponytail. You just have this stripe along the top of your head. But I think down, I think styled, I think with makeup, it looks good. I'm pretty happy with it overall. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to become part of the family, and I'll see you in the next one.